G'day folks, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's December 16, 2023, not far from Christmas. Natural gas this year has been a bit of a dumper. It was still low. Let's go through some of the charts. So as well as the commodity price on gas, I'm also going to talk about BOIL, UNG and KOLD share prices. And we've got a target hit on at least one of them. So let's go through each of these. So first off, on the commodity natural gas price, you can see here we've got a weekly, daily and hourly. It's the same format I'm going to use for all four charts. You can see here on the natural gas price, we're still broken below the moving average on the weekly, on the CCI 400, that's our trend indicator. On the CCI 150, our divergence indicator is still trending in line with the price. There's no divergence to talk of. And for those new to the channel, just a quick recap, we did have a two divergences back here on the weekly. On longer term, these lower tops between on the CCI versus the lower tops on the price, and it fell off, and then another couple of lower tops on the CCI between those two higher tops on the price chart, and it also fell, and that fell well beyond the 100% level of that Fibonacci range. And you can see there in this recent year, most of this year, we've been tracking below the 23% level after hitting this bottom at 2064, and it bounced off that 23% level and making further declines. This week it's had a bit of a mixed week. We'll cover that in the coming session. So we'll go on the daily first off. You can see here it's bounced off that 2258, that minor support, and the lower support there is 2064 this year, that the low of this year, and it's bounced off that minor support at 2258. And I've drawn a Fibonacci level there, and our target on the daily at this one, there's no divergence to talk of on the CCI, but in case it does bounce, we want to look out for it if it breaks above the 61%. That'll be a very bullish outlook for natural gas. At the moment, primarily bearish trades on both the CCI 150 and the CCI 400 on the daily chart. On the hourly, you can see there after it's bounced off that minor support between this lower Fibonacci range, it's actually bounced up and hit our target area between a 23 and a 38% level. It hit it on our last video, but it's actually retraced and gone higher since, and bouncing off the 38% level of that Fibonacci range. There's no sign of a weakening yet on the CCI 150, nor on the CCI 400 on the trend indicator. So far looking good, making further upside on the natural gas price. Next I'm going to talk about BOIL, that's ProShares Ultra DJ UBS Natural Gas ETF. I won't drill down into each of these, but you can see there basically the CCI 150 is making further upside, even though the price is on the weekly, the price is going pretty much flat. The CCI 400 is also broken to the upside with a very slight bullish momentum. On a daily, the CCI 400 is broken up into a bullish momentum, and the CCI 150 is broken pretty substantially below that previous low. So and you can see there it's in line with the price action, moving very much lower than those previous lows. On the hourly, it's bounced off that support at 2380 and making further upside. Again, no sign of a reversal. The CCI 150 on the hourly chart is showing a bullish divergence versus the price, and the CCI 400, our trend indicator, is also broken up, so it's a positive move in the short term at least. Next we've got UNG, United States Natural Gas Fund. And again, similar on the weekly, it's broken down below its CCI 400. The CCI 150 is still tracking in line with the price, although the price has made new lows. On the daily, it's bounced off this support after breaking down from that previous range, and the CCI reflects that. And the CCI 400 is also broken to the downside, but again, we need to see it break a lot higher for this to then be more bullish. On the hourly, we are showing a somewhat double bottom almost, although it is a slightly declining bottoms there on the CCI 150 versus the price. So that's a bit of a question mark on this one. The CCI 400 is broken up into a more bullish momentum. So somewhat bullish on the hourly, but still very bearish on the weekly and daily. And lastly, we've got ProShares Ultra Short Bloomberg Natural Gas, KOLD is the ticker. You can see there this is making further upside on the weekly price, as well as the CCI 400. The daily has broken up and hit this resistance at 115.60 and broken to the downside from there since then, and that was a result of this double bottom on the price and a bullish divergence on the CCI 150. The CCI 400 is broken up into a bullish momentum on the daily. On the hourly, we are showing a double top on the CCI 150, and that's a response also from that bounce down from that resistance at 115.60, and that actually hit our target area between the 23 and the 38% level of that Fibonacci range. Again, if it breaks below the 61%, that's a more bearish outlook for KOLD. On the CCI 150 on the hourly, again, after that double top, no sign yet of a major bounce. There's a slight retracement, but nothing too serious. And on the CCI 400 trend indicator, it's also broken to the downside with no sign of reversal. So that's where we are on those commodity and share prices. If you got value out of the video, hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.